Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Garden Profiler. Let me ask you, what does your garden mean to you? Is it a place where you unwind after a long day? Or maybe where you plant flowers that remind you of someone you love? For many of us, a garden is more than just a collection of plants. It's a space that holds our stories. Imagine dedicating a beautiful potted plant to honor a beloved pet, or creating a small balcony oasis that brings you joy every time you step outside. These are the seeds of what I call legacy gardening. It's about creating a garden that not only grows beauty but also grows meaning. Whether you're working with a sprawling yard, a cozy patio, or even just a windowsill, your garden can be a reflection of you and your life. I've seen how meaningful it is to create a memory garden for a loved one, or even a tribute to a pet that's brought joy to your home. And guess what? You don't need a big space to do it. Potted plants can be just as impactful, and they're perfect for balconies, patios, or small spaces. If you've enjoyed the content on this channel so far and haven't yet subscribed, now's the perfect time to do so. Just click that subscribe button. And to all my returning viewers, thank you so much for your continued support. We at the Garden Profiler truly appreciate you. In today's video, we'll explore what legacy gardening is, why it matters, and how you can start your very own. Whether you're honoring cherished memories, preserving traditions, or simply creating a lasting connection to nature, I'll share practical tips and inspiring ideas to help you begin this journey. And don't forget, this is just a start. In future episodes, we'll dive deeper into creating beautiful tribute gardens, designing potted legacies, and so much more. So grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's dig into the world of legacy gardening together. So, what exactly is legacy gardening? Well, at its heart, it's about creating a garden that grows more than just plants. It grows meaning, memories, and impact. Legacy gardening is a way of saying, this is what I care about and I want it to live on. It's also a way of saying, I was here. Every plant, every bloom, every corner of your garden becomes a part of your story, one that can be passed down or simply cherished in the present. So if you're asking yourself, well, why does a legacy garden matter? Allow me to explain. Legacy gardening isn't just about what you grow. It's about the stories those plants tell. A garden can preserve cherished memories, whether it's a rose bush planted in honor of a loved one, or a peaceful space dedicated to a beloved pet. These gardens become living tributes, offering comfort and connection. For many, creating a pet tribute garden is a way to honor the unconditional love pets bring into our lives. Imagine a flowering corner of your garden or a beautiful potted plant with a small marker. It's a touching way to keep the memory alive. Legacy gardening also plays a vital role in sustainability. By growing heirloom plants, you're not just preserving history, you're protecting biodiversity. These plants carry generations of stories and genetic diversity, which are crucial for our planet's future. And it's not just about plants. Sustainable practices like composting and creating pollinator-friendly spaces help support a thriving ecosystem. Every small effort adds up, and your garden can be a part of that positive change. Every plant you grow, every seed you save, is a way of saying, I care about the future. What impact do you want your garden to leave? Maybe it's a lush space for your family to enjoy, or a collection of heirloom plants that connects generations. Whatever it is, remember this: your garden is your voice. Let it speak for you. Legacy gardening is about more than growing plants. It's about growing meaning and connections that last a lifetime. I hope today's video inspired you to at least think about what your garden could say about you or the loved ones you cherished. To all my new viewers, thank you for stopping by. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future episodes. And to all my wonderful subscribers, thank you for being part of this community. Your comments, stories, and support mean the world to me. And I can't wait to hear how you're bringing your legacy gardens to life. Let's keep growing together, one story and one garden at a time. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.